Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download your file as a JPG on Canva to your PC or desktop. So if this video has been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel, and let's get into it. So I've got a file that I've been working on right here, and let's just say I'm done now and I want to actually download this as a JPG file format. You can go up here to this button, the share button, and then down here to download, press that. And then the file type is basically automatically set to PNG because that's the suggested file type for this design. But you can change that by going up here, selecting JPG, select that, and then once you've finalized everything, go and press the download button right there, and then give it a little second to actually start the download process. And then we can see right here, you can actually open up the download on Google Chrome, go to the recent download history, and then you can select the show in Finder button, and it's going to open up your downloads right here. Double tap on the .jpg file format, and there you go. We've got the complete file for you downloaded or exported in JPG format. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, again, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. It helps me promote to more people and build this channel out. So thanks guys.